Hey, boys and girls, here's another Elephant and Piggie book. A big guy took my ball. That's not nice. A big guy took my ball. Gerald! I found the big ball, and it was so fun. And then a big guy came, and he took my ball. I am so upset. That is not good. That is not right. Big guys have all the fun. What about the little guys? What makes those big guys think they are so big? Their size? Well, I am big too. I will get your big ball from that big guy. My hero. Here I go. Let's see how big this big guy is. Whoa. Did you get my ball back? That is a big guy. You did not say how big he was. He is very big. He is bigger than I am. Much bigger. I am smaller than he is. Much smaller. He is so big. Gerald, you did not get my big ball back, did you? Oh, sorry, he says. You did not get my big ball back, did you? I did not. He didn't get it. Excuse me. Thank you for finding my little ball. That is your ball? And you think it is little? Well, I am big. So big that no one will play with me. Little guys have all the fun. Big guy, would you like to play whale ball with us? What is whale ball? We do not know. We have not made it up yet. With a little help, we can all have big fun.